Today we are running up our series on these simple phrases using IHE. If you are ready for this class, we are ready. So let's go to class right away. I am the Igbo tutor, Onye Nkuzi Igbo.
You're welcome to class. Today we round up this series in simple sentences using these unique phrases that starts with only one word. And today we're using IHE as a base word for making our phrases. So let's begin to look at them. 7 of them in number. The first is IHE. IHE. You don't pronounce it as IHE-a. It's not IHE-a. The two are pronounced together, but the A sound must come out distinct to make it distinct. IHE, IHE, distinct. Number 2 is IHE ahu, IHE ahu, IHE ahu, that thing. Number 3 is IHE ozo, IHE ozo, another thing. That is IHE ozo. And then we go to number 4, which is IHE ole, IHE ole, which is which thing. Sometimes it's also used for what thing, okay? IHE ole. We move to number 5, and this is IHE obola, IHE obola, anything, IHE obola, okay? And we go to number 6, which is IHE uku, meaning big thing, IHE uku. Finally, we look at ihenta, ihenta, meaning small thing. We're going to proceed to make sentences with each of them for a better understanding. We begin with IHE, IHE, this thing, IHE. Let's have it in a sentence. Biko hapu IHE. Please, in pronunciation, remember the A sound must be distinct. But don't separate it so much. Don't say IHE-a. No. You don't say IHE-a. No. It is IHE-a. But the A sound must come out to make it distinct. Biko hapu IHE-a. Which means in English, please leave this thing. Happy IHE-a. Remember, as you can see in our video series, we make use of color code to give you individual meaning of each word. With this, we're going to equip you with an instrument to be able to make your own sentences using any of those words, knowing the meaning of each of them. So pay attention to the color of each word as we proceed. We move on to number 2. And what we have here is IHE ahu, IHE ahu, meaning that thing, IHE ahu. Let's have our sentence now. Achorom IHE ahu. Ọsọ ọsọ. Achọrọ m ihe ahụ ọsọ ọsọ. Some will call this ọsịsọ. Both are correct. What does this mean? It means I want that thing quick or quickly, as the case may be. I want that thing quickly. Achọrọ m ihe ahụ ọsọ ọsọ. Let's proceed to number 3. And what we have here is ihe ọzọ. Ihe ọzọ, meaning another thing. Ihe ọzọ. Let's have our sentence now. Ha nyere anyị ihe ọzọ. Ha nyere anyị ihe ọzọ. What does this mean? They gave us another thing, not what we asked for. Ha nyere anyị ihe ọzọ. They gave us another thing. We move on to number 4, and we have ihe ole. Ihe ole. Some will call it ole ihe, ole ihe, ole ihe. But here we have ihe ole, which thing or what thing, as the case may be. And the sentence goes thus. Ihe ole ka ị chọrọ. Ihe ole ka ị chọrọ. Some will say ole ihe ị chọrọ is also having the same meaning. Ihe ole ka ị chọrọ. Okay? This means which thing do you want? It can also mean what thing do you want? There's a typo here, I is missing. Which thing do you want? Ihe ole ka ị chọrọ. Okay?
Are you aware that we have reduced most of our videos to ebooks with the aim of giving you materials to fall back on and also help you to learn faster even in the absence of your teacher or even when you are offline? These books are unique in the sense that they come with text, pictures and audio which are downloadable. So with these, you have your teacher always with you. How do you get these books? Very simple. Dive into the description box of this video. You will see a link to our bookshop. You can also check our channel description. You will see a link to our bookshop. Click on the link and you will land in our bookshop where you have varieties of books that are simplified and unique, and they will surely help you to learn faster. So hit on any of them and buy today, and you'll be glad you did. Let's go on with this lesson.
Move to number 5, and the phrase is IHE ọbụla, IHE ọbụla, which means anything, IHE ọbụla. Let's have our sentence now, and we have nye ya ihe ọbụla ọ chọrọ. Remember, the previous sentence we asked ihe ole ka ị chọrọ, what do you want? Now we are saying something relating to that. Nye ya ihe ọbụla ọ chọrọ. What does this mean? Give him anything he wants. Give him anything he wants. Nye ya ihe ọbụla ọ chọrọ. We move now to number 6, which is ihe ukwu, big thing. And let's have a sentence now. Ihe ukwu na-amasị ya. Ihe ukwu na-amasị ya. What does this mean? Okay, he likes big thing. He likes big thing. Ihe ukwu na-amasị ya. We go to number 7, and the phrase is ihe nta. Ihe nta, small thing. Ihe nta. Have our phrases now. Nsogbu ahụ abụghị ihe nta. Nsogbu ahụ abụghị ihe nta. Meaning what? That problem is not a small thing. That problem is not a small thing. Nsogbu ahụ abụghị ihe nta. You will do well to rewatch this video until you master all these phrases. Not only this one, but the ones we have done in this series. This is making it number 4 in this series. Go straight to our homepage, okay, and look for phrases in this particular video. They have a similar thumbnail. Watch all of them. I'm sure they will equip you to master this Igbo very well and, advance your Igbo learning journey very fast. On the screen are videos we've also selected. We think they will be very helpful to you. Click on either of them, watch now, and they will thank us later. Remember, members of this channel have access to free live class every Saturday, 2 p.m. Nigerian time. So join our membership now to participate in this class. They also have access to free ebook every month as members of the channel. Do so now, and you'll be glad you did. See you in the next video. Kemesia.